Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Therichpost. Myself Ajay. Hope you all are doing good. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you Angular 11 CRUD operation view user. And friends, in my last video, I have shown you Angular 11 CRUD tutorial add user. So friends, in this, I will show view user. So friends, before showing you working example, I must say, please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest Angular 11 updates. So friends, here we go. So friends, on my screen, you can see Angular 11 with data table. And in data table, you can see some details: ID, email, username, and action. And friends, this detail is coming from my phpmysql database. Here you can see. So friends, in this video, I will show you view user. So friends, here are some actions: view, edit and lead. And friends, in this video, we will see view user. And next videos, I will show you edit and delete user. So friends, now please see user Harjas ID, email and username. After clicking on view icon, here you can see user Ajay, ID, email, username. Again, user Harjas, ID, email, username. So friends, have you seen Angular 11 CRUD tutorial view user is working fine? So friends, like always, I will share the code snippet link inside this video description and please get the code. And friends, if you will have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then please click comment on this video. And friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.